Good morning students, welcome back to Computer Applications classes of class 9. Today, this is the second session for Word Processor 1. So let us see what all things with it we are going to learn. We'll be learning paragraph indentation versus page margin, the difference, then the text alignment, line spacing, page orientation, headers and footers. So starting with paragraph indentation versus page margin. The page margin is the space between the text and the edge of the page, whereas paragraph indentation is the distance of the text from the margin. So, in the given image, you can see the difference in a better way. Like this one is the top margin and this is the paragraph without indentation, whereas this is the paragraph with indentation. So this is called the indented paragraph, whereas this is the right page margin. So I hope the difference is clear to all of you. Next we'll start with text alignment. Now text alignment is nothing but the layout of text within a paragraph with respect to the document margins. Now it could be of four types: left, right, it could be of four types. It could be left, right, center and justify. Now left means the whole text will be aligned towards the left margin, whereas right alignment, the whole text will be aligned to the right side of the margin. Then center, the whole text will be aligned at the center, and justified means the whole text will be adjusted with the as per the space available, means equal distribution of the space among the words in the whole paragraph. We can see how we can get the text alignment in MS Word. This is, I have given a screenshot of MS Word. In Home tab, this is the paragraph alignment buttons. So left alignment, center alignment, right alignment and justify. I hope this is clear to all of you. Next, line spacing. Line spacing, it is the total height of a line of text including extra spacing. It could be of single line spacing like 12 points, 1.5 that is 18 points and double that is 24 points. You can see over here, like if it is a single line spacing, you can see the normal spacing. If it is 1.5, the space you can see, and if it is double, the space you can see between two different lines. I hope this is clear to all of you. Now how we can get the line spacing in MS Word? Over here in page layout button, this is the portion with which we can get the line spacing. You have to write something over here, and next, going to the next line, just select those two lines and then click on before and after how much space you want to have. Next, page orientation. Page orientation is actually, it refers to the way in which the whole page or the text will be printed, whether it in lengthwise or in widthwise. So it is of two types, portrait and landscape. With the given image, you can just understand, if it is lengthwise, it is portrait; if it is widthwise, it is landscape. So vertical, it is portrait, and it is horizontal, it is landscape. Now let us see how to get that. You have to go to page layout, click on orientation, and you'll get the option as portrait and landscape. I hope this is clear to all of you. Now next we have got headers and footers. This is very interesting. You would have seen in your textbooks on every page you have got page numbers at the bottom of the pages, and sometimes it is at the top of the pages. Or you would have seen the name of the book, like if it is computer applications, so computer application, in every page on the top, at the top right corner of the book or top left corner of the book. So how does it come? Is the publisher going to write it every time? No. They use this feature of MS Word called headers and footers. So the header or a footer is the text or graphics such as page number, date, logo, printed at top or bottom of each page. So the header is actually printed at top margin, whereas footer is printed at bottom margin. So I hope you have understood what is the difference between headers and footers. It is basically the same, but headers are the text or graphics that appears at the top margin, whereas footer is appearing at the bottom margin. Now let us see how to get it in your MS Word. Before that, let us understand with the help of this given diagram or figure. So you can see some text is appearing at the top margin. We are calling it as header, and this text is appearing at the bottom margin. We are calling it as footer. I hope you have understood. Now how to get it? First of all, you will go to Insert tab. Let me just mark the pen, you can understand in a better way. So you have got Insert. You have to click on the Insert tab, and then you will find over here header and footer or page number. Then you will click on header if you want to have it header. When you text on the at the header of the or the top margin of each page of the document. And if you want to have footer, then you will click on footer. So you will get these options after clicking on header. Okay, depending upon your wish, whether you want to have a blank area or something, some current theme, and depending upon your wish, you have to choose the option and you have to edit it. So with this, we are ending our session. For reference, you can refer to Computer Applications Book of Class 9 by Sumita Arora. Thank you.